welcome back to my channel. So today for What You Making Monday, it's let's go through Kendra's fridge and pantry and see what we can find. So I had a lot of vegetables that were not bad, but will be going bad soon. So I wanted to think of something that I could do to make for dinner tonight. So I had some ground pork and I had a green pepper from our garden and some zucchini and some onion. So I decided to put all of those together to make a stir fry. And then I also had some ramen noodles, as I just ran out of rice noodles. So I figured I would put all of those together with some sauces that I had in my refrigerator and put together a stir fry. I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so now that the sausage is cooked up, I am going to cook up the ramen. I'm not going to add in the little packets that are in here because I will just add the noodles into the stir fry when I'm all done. But I love ramen because it's quick and easy to just add to any Asian dish. I actually also like ramen noodles with tomato juice. My mom used to make it all the time when we were kids, and I still make it today. So I'm going to cook up the ramen noodles, and then I'm going to saute up the vegetables. Sauteed up the vegetables, so I am going to create my own little concoction of a sauce to put together. So I'm going to put in some crushed red pepper. I will post a recipe that I found on Pinterest that's similar, but I'm just not really following as far as measurement. I'm just kind of adding some of the things that are on there, but you get the general idea. But you can do your own thing because it's kind of whatever you have on hand. Use it up and get rid of it. I am going to use some hoisin sauce. I use this in a lot of the Asian dishes that I make, so I know that it tastes good. I use this in my chicken lettuce wraps recipe that I did not that long ago. So I'm just gonna kind of mix this all in here. And then I have some no soy teriyaki sauce from Primal Kitchen. I love all of their stuff. We used them a lot when we were on Whole30, and I still buy it because I feel like we shouldn't have like a ton of sugar and things like that in our condiments and whatnot. So this is a good way to have it still taste good and not have all that extra sugar. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of soy sauce and give this a few minutes to kind of blend together. Smells really good. So I'm just going to add back in the pork here. And then I will add in the ramen noodles. I have a little bit left over of the sausage. I'll probably use that for breakfast in eggs just to give a little extra protein there, but I'll put it all together and then we will do a taste test. Okay, taste test time. It looks super delicious. It smells really good. It reminds me of when we were first married. My husband would do something similar and grab a bunch of random things. And I'm like, I don't know if this is going to be good just based on the things that he grabbed. But it actually tastes really good. So I'm a big fan of grabbing things from the pantry and kitchen, clear the refrigerator too, and getting everything kind of cleared out and using up things before they go bad instead of wasting it. So here it is. Super good. Highly recommend giving this a try. Like I said before, I will post the recipe that I got the inspiration from just as I was searching the things that I had in our pantry and in the fridge and seeing if I could come up with something because I didn't know what to make. So if you're looking for something to make and you have ramen noodles, pork sausage, onions, zucchini, and some different sauces, you can put together a delicious stir fry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe if you are liking these videos. I post new recipes on Mondays, but I will see you next time.